Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2018 Mercedes A200 AMG line Premuim Plus. This car comes with the 2.1 diesel turbo engine and the 7-speed automatic, returning up to 70 miles per gallon while still producing 134 brake horsepower. The mileage is just over 35,000 miles and the car comes with good service history. This colour, which is a rare colour, it's called Elbait Green and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. Nice and glossy as well. As we have a look inside, being the top of the range model, you've got the half leather and suede seats there with the red stitching, and these seats are also electric and heated as well. Onto the dashboard, you've got the multimedia screen there for your satellite navigation and Bluetooth, and this car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the door there you have your electric folding mirrors and window switches. Rear passengers have got good access there into the back, and I see the car's still got the original AMG carpet floor mats as well. And open the tailgate, you've got the split folding rear seats there with the parcel shelf that's still in place, and extra storage underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the panoramic roof there, and also the twin spoke alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.